So, we are here at Ikea, one of my favorite places to shop. I trying to look for, oh, I don't know if you can hear me. Hold on, wait, that's too loud. That's too loud. Okay. Okay. So we are here at Ikea, one of my favorite places to shop. I'm looking for this couch. I've seen it before, but I never paid it attention. But I'm looking for a cheap couch to get me over until I move, because I need a bigger couch when I move. But my space right now doesn't fit a bigger couch. So I'm trying to get something cheap. And Sophia wants to look for stuff for her room because she changed her mind on her closet room. And now she wants to do a music style, like, I don't know, you'll see it. But so we're gonna head into Ikea, and I want to take you with me to see what they have new, what might be good for your space, my space, all spaces. All right, so let's get going. She don't eat much else from me, but great place. Get you a little cheap kid here. Okay. Interesting. I thought about this duvet cover. I don't like that. I don't know. But it feels good, but I don't like that. I like these pictures. I need to shape it up. These might be good for Sophia's room. I really don't know what this child want to do. I really don't. But she keeps saying we need to do her room. She's not giving me any direction. She's just like, she want a music wall. Let's see, 18 pack. That's not 18. 8. Isn't this something interesting? Okay. So, I don't know why you would do that, but okay. Okay. These containers. How many? Let me go get these ones. And then $3.99. And they're going. Get me some of those. So I'm trying to organize my life. I'm trying to get my life right. I like these chairs. They've had them for a while, but I still like them. But they're simple. They're something simple that can go with a lot of stuff. You know, it doesn't have to be a certain decor. And then they have them in clear, and then they have them in a darker color too. But I like those. They got some friendly reminders for them. Wondering how this will look. I don't know. I like the color. I don't know. It's like I would love something affordable like that. But I've been seeing a lot of this. I don't know what's going on here. What is this? Oh, it's just a cover. Okay. But, I've been seeing a lot of these, but I know this would be covered in here. Ain't no way. Ain't no way this. But it's nice and deep though. But there's no way that wouldn't be covered in here. I don't know. I feel like I've seen somebody with this one and it didn't look bad in their house. And then what? You pull this out? I don't know. I don't know. I can't find it. Yeah, I know. But I feel like I've seen somebody with this and did like that. It's not long enough though for me. I need something not super long, but longer than that. So probably that lamp right there. But I just don't want this gray. So you know what? I'm not mad at this. $4.99, but it's dark gray. And then they have them blue. Neither one of the colors I want. They had it in like a cream, like that. My troubles. Maybe this might work. It's a light gray. It is a light gray. $7.49. And it's nice and deep. See, like my knees almost there. It's deep. It's low. I don't know. I thought about just taking one of these, putting some legs on it and some doors on it and calling it a day. Because see, look, you can buy the doors to go with it. So you buy that piece of doors and then you put the thing on it. Maybe in this wood, I don't know. I thought about using these. I don't know if they would fit though, because it's kind of deep and my cabinets aren't that deep. But I like that. If they had it in a shorter version, I would so do that on my cabinets. But maybe I will do this, right? The long one. Or maybe even this one with short legs. And then put some doors on it. Maybe that's what I'll do. Because I've been driving myself crazy trying to find the right pieces. And that'll be like $100 and something bucks. If it work, it work. If it don't work, it don't work. As long as it ain't that high. See what I'm saying? Well, it looks like it's narrower, don't it? Let me see. So I probably need a one. Because this is 38, 57, 78. Let me see. I need to find another piece. But look, Ikea will get you right for holiday time. This table setting is quite cute. I like it. But Ikea will have you right for I love looking at their kitchens. Ikea will have you right for holiday season. Come on over. Get you some stuff. This countertop I like too. It is veneer though. If I'm gonna do, probably better to upkeep, but I'd rather do it wood, like real wood. But so okay, I'm trying to be more organized. I use this. So I gotta organize my cricket. You could use it. Garbage bags, whatever. I see you could slide stuff through here too. So a lot of their stuff has multiple uses other than what they say it's for. I have to do my craft space. I have to do so much. Oh my. If I hit one more thing. Ooh. $1.99. You can hang that on your stove. $1.99. Okay. You can snap that to your stove, your counter, put the stuff in there. Okay, okay. I like this one. This one. I don't know, not this one. These three. See, this is what I wish I walked into my craft space and it looked like. They had this up for a while. These are goals. Like, I really wish I walked in there and I had like my sewing machines. I had, one day. This is it. Let's manifest this mother. Let's do that. Put your at-home office together, right? They got so many like desk options and what have you and stuff. They got standing desks. They got all kind of whatnot. So apparently they said, see that little plastic divider? So I guess if you're around people, you can hit that up. You could build your own table setup thing here with their tabletop option. It's just a little bit too long, but like $47, and then they have leg options that you can get and make your own little custom table how you want it your way. But you could buy it like pre-done already. This is my favorite mirror at Ikea. I love this thing. It's just anything heavy, I'm scared to put on my walls. I don't know. This one's so but yeah, that's my favorite mirror. Did I show you what mirror it was? Did I? I just show you the place. The stock old mirror. Yes, love it. Okay. Sophia needs a mirror for her room. Bandy broke the other mirror because it was just leaning, and Bandit took it upon herself to, I don't know, she just plays rough. And it fell over and broke. So Sophia needs another mirror. But I want to get her one where she can organize stuff in it. This is type cute. Show this to Sophia. She wants a bigger bed in her room. Right now she has a twin. She wants a bigger bed. And I'm assuming she'll want it pink. But this is type cute. But they're good at giving you ideas on what to do with their stuff and how to make it look nice. Because sometimes you look at IKEA stuff and you be like, I'm okay. But they give you good ideas to do with it. Doing something weird. It's not enough. It's doing something. But for some reason, I don't know. It's sinking all the way in. I just jacked up my nail. It's $82 for this whole, no space for it. Sometimes I find stuff here. I do. But this is type cute. And I could use this as a shoe rack. Like right at the, it's kind of wide on the outside. I wish it was like half, you know? It's kind of wide though. If you have that, it would work. But that looks like, ooh, what's this? It looks stone, right? It's laminate. Oh, it has chips though. But you could touch that up with some, that would be a cute work table. It's way too long for me though. Way too long for me. But I'm always like, what if I could use these as these? So it looks like a bunch of the same something is on sale for $84. Black and Brown King had bought $85. They got a bunch of them. I don't know how it looked though. They should display one of them. But that is it for me. I hope you enjoyed shopping along with me at my favorite store, Ikea. If you did, please give it a big old thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. All right, bye.